Welcome to Tactical Air Rifles. Today I'll be explaining how to do the El Presidente drill, and I'm going to show you some of the kit that I've picked up over the years and some tips of how to do it. And what's El Presidente? It was invented 30 years ago in South Africa for a presidential bodyguard team to practice pistols. Basically you have 3 targets, you have your back to your target, you turn around, double tap each target, do a speed reload, double tap again. The average time is about 10 seconds. It's used throughout the world, and particularly American Special Forces and various agencies, as a yearly practice. You can do it with rifle or pistol. As you can see, I've got 3 targets set up. The actual targets are supposed to be between 1.5 and 2 meters apart. However, I'm restricted. I'm doing it on my arm today, so you can see I've done the best I could. The rifle I'll be using is a Crosman SBR, which is basically an air rifle version of an AR-15. You're going to need to have a duty belt, war belt, shooter's belt. It's called various things. It's been around for about 20 years now. It's invented by American Special Forces. I'll take you through the general layout of the belt first, where I've got the bits and pieces, and you can see them there. So first of all, you actually need the belt itself. You can buy these anywhere. I've got mine on eBay. You've got AliExpress do them, any rifle shop, any airsoft shop do them, and there's basically your basic mole belt. Be careful on the length of it. Obviously I'm a big lad, so check the length before you buy it, because some are smaller than others. Now start from this side. I've got a tourniquet pouch I got off eBay. That was about a tenner. Pistol pouch. Now this is a Chinese copy of an expensive one. This is for a Glock 17. You can pay up to £200 for one. I've tried all different holsters, and I didn't like the drop leg one. This is the best one I found. This was £24 off AliExpress. They do them all different colours. I've gone for black because it's quite neutral. I've used 2 rifle pistol pouches. One's got a torch, one's got a Gerber tool in. Torch is useful for looking at things to your rifle. If you have stoppages, Gerber obviously for taking on various attachments. First aid pouch. You get a few of these. This one I found on Amazon. It comes straight off inside. You can put wherever you want it. Now, very useful on a range. Hopefully you won't need it on an air rifle range unless it's a big tool. But plasters, first aid kit, field dressings, whatever you want to have in there. Next, we come across the dump pouch. And this is an American thing. The British Army, when you were changing mags, your magazine went back into your pouch or down your Brecon pocket, down the front of your smock. However, in America, they brought out a dump pouch. A lot of these drills you see on YouTube, they'll actually throw the magazine to the ground. Well, I was British Army, we weren't told to do that. You might need it again. So it goes back into your dump pouch. Also, these magazines, these aren't live magazines. These are air rifle magazines, and these cost 60 quid a hit. And I don't want to throw this on the floor as it's going to break it. So dump pouch. These are already available everywhere. I think I've got this on eBay. It was about 10 quid. Next is my rifle ammunition pouch. This is a speed loading pouch. They do all different sorts. It's got a plastic clip inside that actually holds the magazine in place, and the idea is you can pull it out very quickly. Various versions of the belt. I've seen some people use 2 of these, or an actual proper magazine pouch folded over. I only need the one, so that's all I've got. I've got this again on AliExpress, and this was about a tenner. Then my pistol pouches, exactly the same ones that I've got over here. But one mag goes in like so, so I can run around. Second mag I've converted into a speed loaded pouch, so it's half out. I can grab it quickly. You can buy magazine speed loading pouches like this. I didn't see a need to, so I just got a boxy one like these. These you can pick up anywhere. It's your basic 9mm pistol pouch. They're about £8. eBay do them, Amazon do them, AliExpress do them, wherever. So that's the actual belt set up when I put it on. That was about as graceful as you can be. Right, just load up. When you're doing this drill, also very important to make sure you have eye protection, because you can get ricochets from this rifle. So what I'm going to do first is your basic El Presidente drill. Now, to do it, back to the target or side on either side. As I said before, it's 2 rounds, each target double tap, central body mass, speed reload, 2 rounds again. The average time is about 10 seconds, but yeah, other people do it faster, different agencies. So here we go. And there we have it. You can time me if you want. That's your basic El Pres. Your next stage, you can muddle it about a bit and do pistol El Pres. So we're going to do a pistol El Pres now. Exactly the same, except you're going to draw as well. So 2 rounds to each target, central body mass, speed reload, 2 rounds again. And there we go. You can then jiggle it about a bit and have rifle to pistol El Pres. I'll demonstrate that now for you. Let me just sort out these magazines. So I'm going to do double tap to each target, speed reload, double taps to each target, transition to pistol, and repeat, double tap to each target, speed reload, double tap to each target. Forgot to say before, the rifle can either be in the high or low pull. You heard it a bit funny at the end with that pistol because the gas is running low. That's what happens with a gas operated pistol and air rifle. I hope you find this useful. If any comments, please feel to comment, and I will be doing some more videos shortly.